Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2017 Pete 389 factory-built glider Kit Daycab, built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10-speed, and 415,000 original miles. I've got it hot. We'll do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, finish up on the inside, interior, and oil pressure. Let's go ahead and get started. Leak up on that front corner. You notice this truck was originally all blue. They went back, painted it solid white with blue fenders, blue top, the firewall still blue. Body and paint's in excellent shape. You look up on that tip there. Got just a little, not bad, but just a little bit of crinkle, I guess. No dents in the back of the cab. All that looks really good. Frame rail's nice and clean. Tanks are in good shape. Excellent rubber. Air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Got just a little bit of rust right there on the rear chunk. Done inside the frame rails. Got new brakes. Platinum interior. Extra gauges. Floor's nice and clean. 13,000 miles. There's your low side oil pressure, which is fantastic. You see it's up at operating temp. Super smooth through the RPMs. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.